Is this the boldest urban SUV we've seen yet? The 2025 Renault Captur is back, sleeker, smarter, and more electrifying than ever. But what makes this model stand out in a sea of crossovers? Stay until the end because what's packed under the hood and inside the cabin might just leave you speechless. The 2025 Captur grabs your attention from the very first glance. With its updated front fascia, sleek LED daytime running lights, and a bolder, more expressive stance, it truly exudes confidence. The redesigned grille and sculpted bumper add both elegance and edge, while flowing sidelines and larger alloy wheels give it a sportier attitude. Dual-tone body options and floating roof designs only enhance its striking personality. At the rear, slimmer taillights and an integrated spoiler finish off the look with a refined dynamic flair. Step into the cabin and prepare to be amazed by the splendor of the interior. The atmosphere that greets you is nothing short of magnificent. Premium materials have been used throughout: soft leather, textured surfaces, and ambient lighting that both calms and excites you. A next-generation 12-inch plus, fully digital display intelligently presents all the essential information to the driver. The large, intuitive touchscreen in the center console feels like you're operating a tablet. The seats are comfortable and ergonomically shaped. Even on long journeys, they won't wear you out. Now, let's move on to the heart of the matter: engine and performance. The 2025 Renault Captur manages to impress under the hood. Among the main engine options are a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine and an upgraded E-Tech full hybrid system. The E-Tech full hybrid delivers 145 horsepower and works alongside 2 electric motors. This setup makes you feel both efficient and energetic, not only in city traffic but also on long trips. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 9.9 seconds. Quite an impressive figure for a city SUV. The new multi-mode automatic gearbox shifts so smoothly that you barely notice the transitions. Experience a drive that's dynamic yet balanced. Find tranquility in eco mode or unleash adrenaline in sport mode. The new steering system is more precise and the suspension provides both stability and comfort. In other words, this Captur meets both your weekend getaway dreams and the demands of your daily urban routine. Curious about when you can get your hands on one? The official unveiling of the 2025 Renault Captur is expected in late 2025, with sales in European markets beginning in the first quarter of 2026. As for pricing, the entry-level model is expected to start around 24,000 to 26,000 euros in Europe. The E-Tech hybrid version will likely be priced around 29,000 to 31,000 euros. Keep in mind that prices in local markets will vary depending on customs and tax regulations. The 2025 Renault Captur is a vehicle that combines urban freedom of movement with style and power. It's more than just a mode of transport. It's a statement. The future is already here, and you're in the driver's seat.